Do you have mid-upper back pain, thoracic, spine problems?
Here I have 4 simple stretch exercises to relieve them. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Serpina. Welcome to my health tips channel. The thoracic spine, mid-upper back area is located between your neck and the lower back. It's the longest part of the straight spine in your body and cleverly built for bending and rotating. However, nowadays, because of people's living habits, poor posture, and the lack of exercise, mid-upper back pain has become very common. Now, follow me to do some simple stretches and rotation exercises to help your thoracic spine. Let's go! The first exercise is called stand up and lean on a wall. So you stand straight up, lean on a wall or door. Remember, there are 4 points which have to touch the wall. 1. Back your head. 2. Mid-upper back. 3. Back toes. 4. The back of heel. So now we do it. We're pretending there's a wall, and then we lean on it. You stand very straightly. So now you slowly raise your feet up as if tiptoe. You stand for this position for 30 seconds. Back straight, shoulder, neck straight. You do this 3 times a day or even more. When you're standing straight up, your spine muscle groups work hard upwards. Therefore, your spine won't change shape. The second exercise is called press your mid-upper back. So you stand up, pat your feet, keep your back straight, and look ahead. So now you put 2 hands on your hips, and then you move your elbows backwards to the maximum of your range. I will show you the back. Press hard, maximum of your range. And then now you slowly raise your head to look at the ceiling. Like your mid-back muscles work hard. Keep this position. You need to do 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. And then you relax. After this exercise, you sit down and your hands put on your knees and you look down. Arch your back a little bit for 10 seconds. It will feel as if your back is warm. Your back is warm. You do this 3 to 5 times in one go, once a day. The third exercise is called stretch your arms. Stand up, keep your back straight, look ahead. You lift up your 2 arms straight up at about 10 past 10 clock time position, like this. Keep your arms straight and your whole body slightly lean back, but not much. You look at the ceiling and then you breathe deeply in and out for 3 times. And then you relax. You do this 3 to 5 times in one go, twice a day. Do once in the morning, just after you get up, because when you are asleep, your body muscles are not completely relaxed. Therefore, this exercise is to help you relieve muscle fatigue overnight. Also, when you do this in the evening, before you go to bed, this can promote better sleep.
Now here is some information about your thoracic spine. The thoracic spine dominates the mobility of the human torso, whereas the cervical spine or cervical vertebrae and lumbar spine give the most stability. As the joints of the human body alternate between mobility and stability, together they control all the most basic movements of our bodies. The thoracic spine has 12 thoracic vertebrae, which is nearly half the entire spine. Because the thoracic spine is a sequence of mobility joints, it includes many muscle groups. When these groups are straight, they're in a relaxed position. However, if you sit too long, or use a mobile phone or computer all the time, your thoracic spine muscle groups become stretched and tense, so that they become fatigued, causing muscle membrane inflammation. So when your back feels sore and painful, it affects your neck, shoulders, lower back and hip joints as well. Therefore, a good posture and exercising are very important, and Serpina's exercises should help greatly to alleviate any pain.
The fourth exercise is called 2 rotating movements. For the first one, you need a chair. You need to sit on the side of a chair, and then you breathe in your belly slightly. So now, use your 2 hands, hold the chair of the back, and then you turn your body 90 degrees to the chair of the bed, like this. And then you stop. Imagine that your thoracic cavity is open. Keep this position for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 14, 15. And then you turn straight back, relax for 30 seconds. You do 4 to 5 times in one go. And then after that, you can do the same on the other side. 4 to 5 times. You just do this once a day. The second movement, you sit on a yoga mat. Your left leg straight with your right leg crossed over it, and then place your right ankle on the outside of your left knee. Place your left elbow against the outside of your right knee. Use your right hand to balance you on the yoga mat. Now press your left elbow against your right knee. At the same time, turn your body to the right. Keep this position for 15 seconds. Imagine that your thoracic cavity is open. After 15 seconds, you stop and then relax for 30 seconds. You do this 4 to 5 times in one go. Then you do the same on the other side, 4 to 5 times in one go. You do this once a day. Remember, your thoracic spine needs to bind and rotate often. Therefore, exercises will improve its mobility and help any poor posture and hunchback problems, etc. So keep doing the exercises, as continuation is the key to success. Before I finish the day, it's important to see that if you have mid-up back pain, I recommend you check with your doctor. Also, my exercises are only the routine ones. Being Chinese, I was brought up with these exercises, have successfully applied to my mother, my friends, my English husband, and myself. All my exercises come from Chinese doctors, physiotherapists, and sports medical specialists. Thanks for watching, and I hope that these exercises will help you. Please pass them on to your family and your friends. By the way, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health information. Many thanks and goodbye.